Okay, so to begin our foundation half double crochet, we're going to start with 3 chains, and that's the height for our half double crochet. We're going to yarn over for a half double. We're going to insert our hook into that first chain, and then we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through just the first loop to create our foundation chain of our foundation half double. Then we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through all 3 loops. Point your hook down to get through easy, and that's going to count for our half double. So we're going to go back into that chain that we just made for our foundation. Oop, and I forgot to yarn over. We need to yarn over first, go back in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop to make our foundation chain, yarn over, pull through 3 to make our half double. Again, yarn over, go back through that bottom foundation chain and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first to make your foundation chain, yarn over, pull through all 3 to make your half double. So at regular speed, we're going to be looking like this if I always remember to yarn over and pull up a loop, pull through the first, pull through 3. So just remember you're making your foundation chain first, and then you're making your half double. So this is the super fast foundation half double crochet refresher. If you need to actually learn how to do this, I have a much slower video under the foundation half double crochet video. So thank you for watching.